Modern products depend heavily on displays and contour, but poor design can lead to confusion, error, and serious safety risks. This is especially true in vehicles where ergonomics ensure that these interfaces are easy, safe, and comfortable for every driver. Our study examines the evolution of the driver seats. We are comparing a traditional setup using physical knob and analog die against a modern digital system that relies on touchscreen and integrated menus. Our goal is to see how these different layouts affect the driver's focus on the road. For display, we are evaluating at a glance readability between analog needles and digital tech. For contour, we are analyzing the blind operations of physical button versus the visual demand of a flat touch panel. We want to know, does morphology mean more detections? Ultimately, we aim to propose the best practice for balancing entertainment with safety to dive deeper into the physical side of things. I will hand it over to Anson to walk you through traditional dashboard components.
First, we'll take a look at the traditional dashboard component of a car. So starting with the instrument console, we can see that there is the classic analog layout, where there is the use of physical needles and swiping pointers for the speed of the car, as well as the RPMs of the engine itself. We can also see that there's a present other gauge, like fuel gauge and temperature gauge. As for the critical symbols, it will only appear when something goes wrong with the car. Moving to the center stack, you can see that there is a presence of physical rotary knobs, which is mainly for the control of air conditioner as well as the radio itself. And the benefit here was muscle memory, as the driver can adjust the temperature or the volume of the radio itself without taking their eyes off the road.
Modern car interiors are shifting towards sleek touchscreen, but are we sacrificing safety for aesthetic? Let's compare physical knob versus digital display. Physical knob rely on tactile and proprioceptive channel because you can feel the clicks and resistance. Blind operation is possible. You will never have to take your eyes off the road to adjust the temperature. On the flip side, touchscreen rely on visual and motor skill. Without haptic feedback, eye fixation become mandatory. We have to look at the screen to ensure that your finger hits the right digital button. This creates a massive difference in a safety score. Knobs allow for high situational awareness, while touchscreen present significant distraction risk due to high visual demand. The key takeaway, while touchscreen win on modern style, physical control remains the gold standard for driver safety. Keep your eye on the road, not on the dash.
Okay, let's compare the display ergonomy between traditional dashboards with modern dashboards. Traditional dashboards use analog representations, while modern systems feature digital display with 3D graphics. Older systems rely on electromechanical instruments, while modern dashboards are powered by the glass cockpit with touchscreen. So in traditional systems, manual controls require high physical effort, whereas modern dashboards minimize this with automation. So traditional systems provide only basic visual information, but modern dashboards included HUDs, night vision, and eye tracking. So control in older systems is mechanical, while modern dashboards allow voice input and touchscreen. So finally, traditional systems require more manual interaction, whereas modern systems use advanced recognition.
In our automated economy, the critical safety metric is our eyes off the road time. So I will quickly explain about what is a blind operation and visual demand. So blind operation is the driver can adjust the system without taking their eyes off the road. Why for the visual demand is known as if the system forces them to look at the interface, it creating the visual demand. First, the design support blind operation and it relies on fixation, which is our body ability to send the position of our limbs. So because of the knob, it fits physical location and the station, a driver can reach out and grab it without looking at it. When they turn it, the physical click or resistance provide immediate haptic feedback. So the driver will know exactly how much they adjust the temperature or volume purely through touch. So this keep their visual attention 100% in front on the driving task. In contrast, the flat touchscreen enforces high visual demand. So a flat piece of glass have no topography, you can feel where the button is it. So it forces a driver like us use our field vision. So need to visually locate the icon and aim our finger to avoid pressing the wrong area. So this making break the driver focus and significantly increase the cognitive load, which is in a high-speed environment. It introduces a safety risk that physical control do not. So we arrive for a comparative summary between physical knob, traditional, and touchscreen modern. So to summarize my section, while touchscreen allow the clean aesthetic like so many color and flexible menu, but need to remember that they very fail at eyes-free usability. So the physical knob is superior for frequently used control because it utilizes the tactile sensory channel and allowing for the two blind operation. So touchscreen is overload the visual channel, creating the dangerous distraction as a driver. So for the primary driving control, ergonomic distracted, that tactile feedback is safer and more efficient than visual. So that's all. Thank you, and the traditional knob wins.
Based on our overall comparison, the most effective and safest vehicle interface is hybrid ergonomic design. Safety critical functions such as air conditioning, volume control, and hazard lights should be used physical buttons or knobs, as they provide tactical feedback and allow blind operation without distracting the driver. Touch screens, while modern and flexible, require higher visual attention and are therefore more suitable for non-critical functions like navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. In conclusion, combining both physical controls with digital displays offers the best balance between driver safety, usability, and a modern driving experience, while helping drivers remain focused on the road.